Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I create my leotards in an updated version because last time I feel the quality of the video was not the best and it was also dark because it was night, and also I've improved so much, so I want to show you how I do it now. I have invested on better tools, so I work way faster now as well. So yeah, if you want to learn how I create my leotards or how to create a leotard, stay with me. So guys, first of all, now I have this beautiful surface to cut. It's made for this. I also have a roller cutter. Before I used to cut only with the scissors. This is the notebook where I write everything. For example, here I have the measurements of the costumer. This is the fabrics she selects for the leotard, and this is the pattern she wants for the top. And this is my guide to cut the shape of the leotard she wants. So for some reason I keep cutting in the floor, but it's just about laziness because I can perfectly put this on the table, but again, it's just a decision. So let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna cut the pattern according to the measurements that she sent me. So here are all the pieces together. I always cut in the base fabric, the whole leotard, because I can use this as a lining, and then I put the pattern on top. So these are the sleeves, no need to do like double fabric, just the sleeves. And this leotard is a normal cut, but it can also be done like a high cut if you want to make it look like you have longer legs, but this is just a very standard cut. So welcome to the table. What I'm going to do now is to put all the pieces of the leotard together. I'm going to be doing that with the serger. What this machine does is to cut and at the same time sew the pieces together. I'm going to show you closer how it works. So let's take a piece of fabric because we always have to do the testing before actually sewing the fabric. Here we go. As you can see, it cut this piece, and this part is like, it makes a clean border. If we want to put two pieces of fabric together, like for example like this, it's also going to do the same. It's going to cut the borders and then it's going to put them together. Since this part goes like this, we are going to flip it, and we are going to use these pins, or I don't know what they are called, and we are going to make sure that the fabric will not move while we are sewing. Here we have the first part together. Then now we are going to put the back part together with the front part, and we are also going to add the logo, Alonso Dancewear. Now we're going to put the right part of the leotard facing the right part of the back, because when we sew it together and we unfold it, there are going to be the two right parts outside. Okay, time to sew. We have to put these parts together, both sides and also the bottom part. And after that we are going to sew the sleeves. Now we are going to put the elastics in the legs, this part, and also in the entire border of what it will be the neck and the back. And if the model will be this, we will put elastic also here, but since we have sleeves to add, we are just going to put them together and that's it. I thought about teaching how to put the sleeves, but I think this is more advanced tutorial, so if you want to know how to create and add different type of sleeves, then let me know. But yeah, I'm gonna keep this tutorial very simple, so I'm just gonna do it myself and I'm gonna show you the rest of the process. So notice that before I used to pin all the elastic around the leg hole, but now I just do it straight. I just put it together in the machine and go. So it's getting late, it's getting dark, and we still miss our last step. This is how it's going. So our last step is going to be use the cover stitch to fold the borders and make a top stitch. And we're going to do this in all the part where we put the elastics and here in the legs. And again, this time, because we did the sleeves, we are not going to use it here. But if it would be the normal, like simple model where you don't have the sleeves, you should do it as well in that part of the arm. Okay, so let's go for it, and we are finished after this last step. Also, I didn't show you how I put the beautiful tag. I love it. I'm looking actually for a smaller one, but for now these are the ones I'm using and I really like them. Okay, so let's go for the last step. Okay, since we are going to be doing a top stitch, which means that the thread is going to be seen, we want to make sure to use the same color or as similar as possible to the fabric, so it's going to be nice to the eyes. Not like I'm going to sew a pink leotard with a green thread. It will look kind of weird, so that's why we always try to match the colors. We are going to use the cover stitch, as I said before. For this, we are going to be threading the two first needles with the color of the leotard. This color here is going to be the one that is going to be inside of the stitch, so it's not going to be visible, so you can choose basically any color, but it's always better, like if you have a white leotard or a light leotard, not to use dark thread anyway, because even if it's not seen, when you see it inside, it's kind of shocking, so it's better to use similar. In this case, I'm gonna use black because this is a dark color, so it's not that bad. But these two here are the important, so yeah, let's go for it. And here we have the final result. I really love it. I would love to try it, but I'm not gonna do that to the person who bought this. This is a new model for me. I have never done it before, but since she asked if I could do it, I can't say no. I am in love with the result for sure. I'm adding this new model to my collection, and yeah, this is how it's done. It looks like it was 5 minutes, but it was actually like 2 hours I've been making this, which is a lot. But before it was around 4 hours, so I have improved a lot for sure. And I am ready to pack it and to deliver it. So thank you guys for watching this video one more time. You're always so welcome here. I Send you a huge kiss and see you in the next video. Bye bye.